Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 9. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a physical education, sports and games class for the students of class 9. Let's see our today's topic. It is chapter 2, lesson number 3 and 4, discussion. Dear students, so look at your book, Physical Education, Health Science and Sports books, page number 17. Today we shall read from page number 17. Okay, I am just showing you the page, then start reading. Lesson 3, importance of physical exercise according to age and sex. Page 17. Let's start. According to age, physical education is applicable for people of all ages, but program of physical education differ likings and disliking for different age groups. Not only physical exercise, but also foods, likings and dislikings, also physical abilities are different from different age group. For example, physical ability of children is not equal to that of adults. So, to develop the abilities, exercise through games should be introduced accordingly. Frog jump, touch and back, crow jump or recreational games are some physical activities that can be improved physical ability of children. Selection of exercise and games for adolescents should done systematically, standing in a line, exercise of hands and legs, running with a ball, touch and play, etc. Games and physical exercise can be used to develop physical abilities of children. Remember, children and adolescents should not participate in weightlifting exercise. It causes harm to the body. Youth should take part in exercise systematically so they can learn skills of different games which will build foundation in sports. We should keep in mind that exercise may cause fatigue among students. Selection of physical exercise for a specific part of body is essential. Physical ability may be acquired in this way. For elderly people, light physical exercise is required for maintaining physical ability according to sex. Though physical education is equally important for all, but it depends on how much we can implement it. And though it is different from men and women, it cannot be so for children. Physical structure of boys and in their childhood are more or less than the same. Priority should be given to the recreational games, imitating activity, jumping and running activities at the time of designing physical education program for children. To ensure mental development of children, physical education programs for children should be implemented through games and sport. There is little difference between boys and girls during age 7 to 12 years. This time girls do not participate in any heavy games. Boys show more interest in team games, though both boys and girls participate in individual games. For example, badminton, table tennis, running, etc. are a few individual games. From this stage, physical education programs should be separated to develop their physical capacities. After the reach to puberty, physical changes take place among boys and girls. For this reason, their activities are also different. Boys like athletes, swimming, etc. besides team game. Most of the boys do not hesitate to take risks at this stage. In the behavior of girls, hesitation and shyness appear due to their physical changes. This is why physical education program of girls differ from that of boys in games and sports competitions such as swimming, athletics, badminton, table tennis, etc. For boys and girls, there being big differences in physical strength and tolerance. Physical education activities are different, therefore as children grow up, different in physical activities become distinct. Boys and girls participate in these activities separately. Point number 4, effect of exercise on physical fitness. Exercise is essential for physical fitness. Without exercise, none can develop physical fitness. People of all ages should take regular exercise systematically and follow the method of sports training. Many changes take place inside the body due to exercise, which develops physical fitness. The changes that take place due to exercise are given below. Heart muscle, develop is strong cardiac muscle blood circulation increases due to physical exercise of games. As a result, efficiency of heart develops, heart muscles become strong. Heart volume increases and becomes disease free as efficiency of heart increases. The heart of this type is called an athletic heart. 2. Pumping capacity of heart increases. Heart of common people pumps 130 milliliter of blood. Blood circulation increases due to exercise. So pumping capacity of heart increases and heart becomes strong, efficient and develop immunity. Point number 3, pulse rate. Pulse rate increases if common people take exercise or do work. It usually takes time to become normal. Tiredness do not appear easily. On the other hand, pulse rate of good player increases and becomes normal faster after he or she takes part in increases participate in games and sport. Therefore, player recovers faster from fatigue than common people. 4th number point, blood circulation. One takes part in exercise or participate in games and sports increases blood circulation. So, the efficiency of heart muscles increases more and becomes stronger than the other common people. Point number 5, blood cell. Okay, red blood cell, white blood cells and platelets. Okay, these things help much whenever physical exercise will be taken. Now point number 7, it is muscles. Okay, I am reading the point. This one, muscles. There are 7 different types of muscles in our body. The number of muscles fiber doesn't increase, but size of the muscles increases. Tissue becomes thick and strong. So this improves physical efficiency. Many changes take place due to the effect of exercise that helps in improving physical efficiency. Dear students, in this class there will be no homework. I am telling again, there will be no homework. And listen, since your assignment work is going on, there will be no homework in this class. Inshallah, our next class will be held on the selected topic. Your assignment class will be held. Please have a look our next YouTube class. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.